In this video, I'm going to show you how to watch the World Cup on a mobile device. Now, there are actually multiple different ways that you're able to do this, and there's many apps that will allow you to watch it on your mobile device, including the Fox Sports app, which will provide you with English coverage, the Peacock app, which will provide you with Spanish coverage, and other apps like YouTube TV, Fubo, Hulu, plus Live TV, Direct TV Stream, and Sling TV in select matches. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on the screen right now just so that you're able to get a quick reference of that. And of course, you could use the FIFA Plus app. So again, there's many different options out there. So if you already have like a Hulu subscription or YouTube TV ready to go, then you can use that. But if you want to go ahead and just get a simple solution, then you can always go ahead and just install the Fox Sports app right over here. There you go. Then you're able to go ahead and install it from there. And then you just want to go ahead and press on open. Now, they actually do make it incredibly easy. So after you download the app, all you need to do is you need to go ahead and wait until the World Cup actually starts. And it's going to appear right over here. And as you're able to tell, there already is a countdown for the World Cup. So that is how you know things are about to get good. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.